The setting for safety mode flexion resistance is active when the battery is empty or when an error occurs. In safety mode, stance release is not possible. This behavior can be simulated when adjusting the safety mode setting in the connectgo.pro app. For most users, it is recommended to keep it at the same setting as the stance phase flexion resistance. Be aware that this setting applies to all activities. If the resistance is lowered to enable swing-through, it will also be lower when sitting down or walking down stairs and ramps. Make sure that the user can control the knee joint even in more challenging outdoor situations.